How to change display name on Zoom application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can change the display name for your Zoom account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Zoom application from your device and get logged into your Zoom Workplace account. Tap on to More on your bottom right. Then you'll see a page like this. Here you will also see your email address. Tap Open it. Then tap on Display Name. Just like so, enter your name and your last name. And this is how your display name will appear in your meetings. Once you do so, tap on to Save on your top right, and this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.